It's Matthew Forestieri, Forestieri Custom Exteriors. It's a job in Greensboro, North Carolina. Homeowner has extensive water damage. We had to take out this entire wall beneath their deck, replace the band beam, resheathe the wall. There used to be a window there we eliminated. And if you come inside the garage, it's too dark. Yeah, there's the window. This wall we fixed. Sorry, it's too dark to see. But we're going to eliminate that window tomorrow. And the house just gets a lot of water. Sits down in a valley. So you can see how water is going to get to the house. We had to build these temporary posts to hold us and hold the deck. See how we cut the deck back and posted it so we can work up there. And more water damage. There's that window I showed you from the inside that's going to come out. You have to fix the siding and fix that. Everything's going to be painted afterwards, and they're going to have us come back in the springtime to paint the rest of the house, or vinyl the rest of the house. They haven't decided yet. And then this is the house. We're going to replace all the deck boards up here. See, the band beam's rotten beneath the door. You can see how extensive water damage is. Started. But we'll be here for a few days, and I'll have a video when everything's done and show you the finished product. Thank you. This is Matt Forestieri, Forestieri Custom Exteriors. Just finished a job in Greensboro. Extensive water damage and rotten siding. Resheathed, replaced all the rotten framing. The band beam was rotten behind the deck. Reframed the deck. Installed vinyl. The customer is going to have us come back in a few months and install vinyl on the remainder of the home. As you can see, all this framing was rotten here. I can show you from inside the basement what we had to change out. So you can see how much framing we had to do. There used to be a window here and a window there. Water was just leaking in the house. So we just eliminated the problem. And the customer had 6 really large windows up here. A lot of water damage. All new deck boards. Changed out all the rotten wood in the windows. Capped it. PVC metal coil. Siding. New doors. New storm doors we installed. Fixed the rotten band beam all the way along this corner of the house. Real clean looking metal work. And installed that door and storm door as well. You can see how much water comes down this steep roof, and was just attacking all the framing here over the years. But this house is taken care of long into the future. Thank you for watching. Matt Forestieri, Forestieri Custom Exteriors.